Yeah.
I got some attention. I don't want you, I love you, but you try to fuck my man, yo. I don't want him! I say I don't want him, I just want my man, dog. I need to know how to get home. Can somebody tell me how to get home from here? Give a fuck. Can you please tell me how to get home from here, please? Can you please? Give a fuck, I'm not your feet on the fuck up. I'm fucking gonna tell you something you will laugh at. That's supposed to be your best friend. Really though. Best friends don't lie on each other, right? What the fuck is you doing? Chasing? He's chasing shit. There's a bumper in his foot. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go know. I don't want to go. Go ahead. I'm going to get exhausted. Go ahead. I'm out. I'm going to get stuck. Oh, it's chasing shit. Stop chasing me. Can you tell me how to get home, please? Why did you chase me?
Don't touch me.
For real, why did you chase me? For real, I ain't got nothing to do with this. Huh?
Get the fuck off my block.
No, it's my husband.
Alright, I don't give a fuck.
Why did you chase me?
It's 3 o'clock in the morning, y'all out here like...
I'm worried about my little sister.
Oh, well, too bad.
So you gonna take me?
Yeah.
You can't, because I'm famous any fucking way.
Alright, well,
You
good.
said you gonna take me. Really don't.
I'm already out.
Hi, my name is Tasha, this Shay Williams, and I'm sitting here in front of a nut that's just gonna take me, don't understand what's going on. See? You acting crazy, I'm worried about my senses. You know what I mean? So you don't even know what's going on, so you're wrong. You're very wrong. Someone take me?
Mm-hmm. You get the fuck off my block. I got kids and shit. I don't give a fuck. That ain't my problem.
Really?
Yeah.
You wanna make money? You think you gonna get money?
It ain't about that.
You don't give a fuck?
No.
So you know the men that live out here?
I don't care.
You don't? I can understand. Congratulations.
Mm-hmm. Get off my block. Get off my block.
I can't get off your block. I live around
You
here.
got a car. Go away.
I own half of this shit.
Oh, well, so what?
Buddy, I own where you live at.
Okay.
So you can make this fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what? I'm a police officer. I'm not against right. You know that, right?
Whatever.
No, sir. I'm a police officer. You don't know that. They know I'm a police officer. I work for the 24th district. So I got it. So everything you do comes back to you. Hand that on the tape, boo-boo. Yes. You fucked yourself. You shouldn't have did that. For real, you shouldn't have did that. I'm a fucker. I'm gonna get... I bet you be out here by tomorrow. If you make Joe Green, if I got you there too, you a liar too, Joe Green.
so just what I'm saying.
Everything good, bro. You heard me, bro?
Nah, everything ain't good, cuz. This is the 4th or 5th time this shit done happened, my man. We got kids and shit upstairs. I gotta work this shit, you know what I mean? Y'all be out here like Ratchet motherfuckers all fucking night. But bro, when I seen him brought you in the fucking crib, I knew this shit was gonna happen. Every fucking time you come on this block. Every time you come on this block. Every time you come on this block, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, you out here like a fucking idiot.
I'm leaving. You the one
Yo, real business. Next time I see a car on this block, I'm automatically calling the cops. Every fucking time. Nah, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Back up. Back up. It is you. It ain't him. It is you. You the one out here at 3, 4 o'clock in the fucking morning. I don't care. I'm tired of this dumb shit. I'm tired of this shit. People working shit just because you ain't got no fucking life. You want to take your life away. That's your business. Back the fuck up. Back up. Back up. No, you the ignorant one. People live here, yo. People live here. I don't fucking care. I don't care. If you don't care, I don't care. It don't matter. I'm already woke. I'm already woke. I'm already woke. I'm already woke. The Ratchet ass already woke me the fuck up. You already woke me up. You've been out here since 2 o'clock this morning. Go the fuck away. Get in your car. Go away. Why do you even come around here? Why? I don't care. Take him to your house then. Where the fuck you live at? Go on your block and cause this ruckus. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. How the fuck you got a car and you can't get home? What's the problem? Drive the fucking car and go away. Because I'm tired of this dumb shit. I don't care. I don't need to. I don't need to. You on my block right now. You on my block right now. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. That's not none of my business. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. You're making yourself sound even more ugly right now. Just get in your car and go the fuck away. That's the best thing for you to do. Get in your car and go the fuck away. Get in your car and go the fuck away. That ain't none of my business. My business is you on my block causing a fucking ruckus for nothing. Get in your car and go the fuck away.
I'm gonna leave you where you at. You can tell me all you want because it's irrelevant. It's irrelevant to just. I don't want to talk to him. You just talk to him. You just talk to him. No, I really want home. You want to take us home before you can put him out? I'm tired. I'm tired of the drama. I'm tired of beating me. I'm tired of the doing my eyes. But I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Yeah, you wrong. Your dumb ass keep coming back to him. Go find somebody else. Go be by yourself.